In this video, I'll show you how to replace the key battery on Opel Astra G Zafira in 4 simple steps. Use a flat blade screwdriver to open the key. Slide the screwdriver into that small hole and push it down to open it. There is a transponder chip and be careful not to lose it. Then you have to split the plastic piece in half. You can do it with bare hands. Then you have to remove the battery. There is a standard CR 2032 battery. Replace the old battery and install the new battery. Then pull all the parts together. There is a small hole over there for the transponder. If you have any suggestions about the new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. So that's it. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.